Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how much depending on your location. Please join in the struggle to liberate our people from the contraption. Like and share videos. Today is Monday, the 17th day of June 2024. I bring a news update. You must go in one after the other, or vamoose our premises. DSS chase away the legal team out of their facility. Yes, that is what is happening. Yes, in the SS headquarters, where the legal team went to visit the leader of the IPOB, the illegally detained Mazen Namdekano. Yes, to interface with him. Yes, ahead of the June 19th court case, the legal team went there to have discussions with their client. Yes, the respectable leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Onyendu Mazen Namdekano. But the DSS said no. So they will not go as a team. Rather, they will go one after the other. You go, the other person will come out, the other person will go, one by one. Don't go in as a team. You must go one by one after the other. Unless, if not, you will vamoose our premises. They chase them away from the complex. Yes, because the legal team said they don't want to go one after the other. They have to go as a team to have, robust deliberations with their client, the respectable leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Onyendu Mazen Namdekano. Yes, that's what the legal team said. So because they refused to go one after the other, they insisted on going in as a legal team. They chased them out of their facility. That's DSS. Yes, they did not see Mazen Namdekano. So what is happening is that this case that is coming up on the 19th is already complicated. Yes, DSS wants to complicate the whole issue. They said, the federal government says they want to try Mazen Namdekano. Yes, so they want to see him in court to defend himself. And the young man, the leader of the IPOB, Mazen Namdekano, the enigma himself, he said he's willing and ever ready to appear and defend himself. But they're not following the due process since then. They have employed all manner of abracadabra into the process. First of all, they wanted secret trial during the Buhari era. Yes, but in view of the public outburst, people said, no, we cannot allow this to happen. Why secret trial? The Igbos rejected it vehemently. The youth said no. The IPOB said no. The Biafra agitators said no. All Biafrans rejected it. Masses rose up, said, look, no. They backed down, they backtracked. So this time around, they have been employing various tactics. Oh yes, to complicate this issue, to give this trial, backyard trial. Oh yes. So that is what is happening now. So the legal team that say nowhere. So they will resist any attempt to give this trial, backyard trial. Yes, to give Mazen Namdekano a backyard trial. Say any trial must follow the tenets of the Constitution. Yes. Now look at what the legal team said when they visited the IPOB leader to interface, to have deliberations on the 19th, ahead of the 19th, June 19th trial. Yes. Look at what they said. Quote, as the next hearing or trial of Mazen Namdekano's case, scheduled for 19th and 20th June 2024 looms close, the State Security Services, DSS, continues on its infamous path of frustrating every prospect of fair trial for Mazen Kanu. The DSS once again exhibited its vested disrespect for judicial pronouncements when, in disobedience of court order, refused Mazen Kanu's legal team to meet with him as a team or together to prepare him for the said hearing or trial commencing on 19th June. The DSS insisted that members of the legal team, including the undersigned counsel, must meet with Mazen Kanu separately, or we must leave the premises. For this reason, Mazi Kanu's team of lawyers left the DSS facility without seeing him, a situation that will surely complicate the hearing on 19th June. This latest disobedience of a subsisting court order by the DSS is symbolic of what has become an executive self-indictment of the trial that the government itself and the court insists must take place. If they do not obey a simple court order that is directly geared to giving them the trial they so much desire, why then is the AGF still bent on prosecuting the case? Are we to believe that it's only a sham trial that they secretly desire? To be sure, it is impossible to prosecute a case without having the ingredients of a fair hearing in place. These antics are further evidence that the case against Mazi Kanu has no merit. Hence the reason every avenue for a fair hearing is being blocked. If the AGF through the DSS are apprehensive of the fell consequences of a fair trial, then they need to do the needful by discontinuing this case without further ado. Otherwise, Mazi Kanu and his legal team will resist any trial that is against the tenets of the Constitution. End of quote. That's the legal theme. Yes, they are actually portraying their frustration. Oh yes, but the DSS, this lawless organization, they are not obeying the law. A court order directed that, look, Mazi Kanu should be allowed to have his legal team. It's called legal team. Team means they are a team. They are not one person. They are a team. They have to go as a team to see him, to visit him as a team. That's what the court says. That's the directive of the court. But you have seen the lawless people. They are not obeying court. Then what gives people the understanding or the belief that they will obey the court judgment if the court says Mazi Kanu commits no offense? I mean, this federal high court, because the appeal court have declared so. Yes, on October 13, 2022, the appellate court, the appeal court, is even higher than this federal high court trying Mazi Kanu now. They said he committed no offense. He should be allowed to go. Yes, the government have to apologize on the basis of newspaper and reward him or compensate him, as the case may be, accordingly. They didn't do that. They disobeyed court order. So now you have seen DSS flouting court directive and injunctions. So that is it, to tell you they're not ready to obey court order. So they're looking for something. The federal government and the agents, they're not ready for a fair trial of the leader of the IPOB, the respectable leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Onyendum Mazi Kanu. They're not ready to give him a fair trial, so they want something else. And whatever they want, they will see it. That's the point. They want something else, and they will see what they're looking for. They do not